beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. In today's video, I just want beautiful women out there to just embrace their natural hair texture and proudly try different hairstyles. Like in today's video, you can see this beautiful blonde platina. I just want you guys to see the before and see the after of this hair. This is so gorgeous, and one thing with this style is that it's that kind of razored hair curl that is low by two sides and coily on top, and is a little edgy because it gives you that glamorous look. Take a good look on this hair and how so beautiful it is on her. And one thing with this style is that you can enjoy quick hairstyles, like quick styling options, and it will make you to stop wasting much time in front of the mirror. It's that kind of bold hairstyles that is beautiful and quick to achieve. You can see, I also want you guys to see this woman, how she was before, and also how she will look after the cut. You know, this guy is another good guy that know is onions, and you can see how beautiful women are really choosing this days to embrace their natural haircut. Many of them choose to cut their hair pretty short, and you can see how the result is just breathtaking. So we know it's a bold step, but after a quick look at this beautiful hairstyles we have for you guys, I just think we really want to have your short hair cut too. I just love this hair. You can see how this woman, you can look at her, you will know she's definitely above 50, and just see how this hair took 20 years of her age, and not just matter of taking many years or 20 years of her age, it makes her look so flawless. And you can see the two sides, always make sure the two sides are shorter and the middle of the hair is longer to give it that glamorous look you want. You can use any color of the one. Like the first one you can see is platinum on this stubborn. It's so beautiful, it's so natural, it's so matured for beautiful women that want simple hairstyle. With this kind of hairstyle, you really don't need to worry about your hair in the morning with this haircut. Just make sure you moisturize your hair very well, and towards your get here, you are ready to hit the road. So if you're really sick of your regular color, just try this upper copper color or this urban, because it will really make you go something brighter while your hair is still short. Okay, so I just want you guys also see how this hair was and how they're gonna achieve this beautiful finger wave. One thing I love about the style is just the way she do the makeup. At least for those that don't know how to do the makeup themselves, they can learn to do it from this video. And one thing I want you guys to know about this hair is, apart from this color, we like call this orange color, be burnt orange or auburn or blonde, anyone, the color is amazing and it suits her melanin skin. You can see how her skin is so flawless and the hair is so beautiful, and you can see even the makeup is just so amazing. So with this, let me just let you guys to just cover the style and let me know your mind, how you feel about this cut. I just feel like I'm the one having this cut because it's so beautiful, and it can make beautiful matured women out there to look younger than their age. So about the rest of the styles we have for you. Your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate you, and when I mean you, I appreciate you, lovely, that is watching me now. God bless you.
I was built to last from the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching. life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grieving. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by